Let's go to Netherlands now, where police station's gender-based violence and femicide transformation unit has taken a strong stance against gender-based violence and hate crime. This morning, the unit operating under the Gauteng Department of Community Safety, they hosted an LGBTQIA+ awareness event in remembrance of Salome Masua and Sizakele Sigasa, who were brutally murdered in the year 2007 in what appeared to be a hate crime. The unit says the aim is to foster a united, loving and accepting community.
Qela umbutho wamapolisa aseMidlands abambe umsitho wokukhumbula abo babulawa ngenkohlakalo bengamaxhoba olwaphulo-mthetho lwentiyo. Lo msitho injongo yawo kukukhuthaza umanyano, uthando kunye nokwamkelwa kwingingqi.
2007 nge-7 zikaJulayi wabulawa amaqhawekazi wethu uSizakele Sigasa benoSalume. So namhlanje besibakhumbula sithi asikakhohlwa abaqhawekazi wethu lokho kwenzakele kini. Sisani-honora ngoba nina yini abantu abavelile obala, abanye ngaleyo minyaka bebayifihla kodwa nina navela. So besizoba-honora namhlanje. Sifundisa umphakathi ukuthi i-LGBTQI+ community sibamukele emphakathini. Endesazi ukuthi umuntu une-right yokuphila impilo ayifunayo. Singababulali, singabadlwenguli, sithi siyaba-correct. Sabobani thina esi-correct abantu.
Noba sele kubonakala ngathi lukhona utshintsho xa kungoku, kodwa isicelo siya emabandleni ukuba nawo abe nomoya wokwamkela abo bathandana ngokwesini esinye.
Lukhona ushintsho ngoba manje mawuthi uyabheka ama-gays nama-lesbians manje a-free ngoba manje angithi thina ezama-brigade siyahamba nasey'kolweni, siyafundisa nasemasontweni, siyafundisa yonke indawo nomphakathi ukuthi asibathandeni abobhuti bethu, abantwana bethu, abosisi bethu ngoba le nto nanoma ingekho kwakho kodwa enesdoor makakhona usasodadweni, usasomfweni. Ukuya phambili ngithanda ukuthi ngathi amasonto angayimukela le community, bangayicwasi. Angithi esontweni masiye khona selubulungiswa. So amasonto angacwasi this community, istate kumele babasupport.
Abaququzeleli balomsitho kunye nabathathi inxaxheba abohlukeneyo ebebezima selilanga batsho ngazwinye ukuba ukuphelisa ulwaphulo-mthetho lwentiyo kumele ukuba kuliwe ngokubambisana ngawo wonke amalungu asekuhlaleni. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eMidlands.
Let's stay with the story when 142 councillor Luyolo Ngubung believes that people are becoming more welcoming to the LGBTQIA+ community. Ngubung says he finds it heartwarming to observe members of the community united in love and support for one another.
We appreciate such an event ever since that's a tragic event within our society. That was the first incident that put Midlands in the map South Africa for intolerance. So us seeing event so commemorate that tragic event and seeing us the community united in the fight against gender-based violence and trying to show that we are one with the LGBTQI community. It's a great event. We are honored and we appreciate our organizers for thinking about such an event, and the success here event is a community that has agreed to be united. We are a society that says there's no separation, there's no community. We are gays and lesbians. It's one society that is ready to work and live together. Living through the years and seeing the changes that have been happening. Last year we saw Pride coming to Dorothy Nyembe and we saw community being receptive and tolerant and working together. It shows that as a society we've migrated from that mindset and we are a society as a Midlands that says manje we are ready to live and work together with any other person regardless of affiliation and gender orientation.